Oh, you have to set the rebalance board up. Okay, let's try snowboarding. Let's do this thing. Here goes nothing! What are you doing? No, don't crash into the wall. Go forward. Good. No, don't crash into the wall. Go. No, forward. No. You're just shaking it to see. Can you jump?
Don't really jump.
No, don't really. Just bend your knees and. No, it doesn't work. You're just going back and forth like a crazy person. 6 misses. 7 misses. 8 misses. How many misses can you get? Oh my god. You are failing. What the heck? Let's see your score. Aww. Miss it. Unbalanced. 8th place. Oh my god.